Hi, Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim. Today I've got another walking workout for you. Please check around you, there's nothing you're going to hurt your feet on or bash yourself on. Marching to the beat. Try and keep those feet nice and light. During the workout, don't worry if you're not quite to the beat. Don't worry if you're not in time with me or on the same foot. More important to keep yourself moving. Getting to the end of the track, getting to the end of the 15-minute workout. So pace yourself if you need to. Doesn't matter if your steps are really small if you're a beginner or if you leave the arms out. Turn to the side, let's march forward, two back. Actually, you could stay facing me for this bit, but we're going to go into a 4-step in a moment. So probably easier just to turn slightly to the side. Forward, 2, 3, 4, and back. Join me when you're ready. Well done. Try and keep the shoulders nice and relaxed, but swing the arms. And if you take the elbows up a little bit higher behind, you can work the back of the arms as well, but it's your workout and your body. Come back to face me. You might need to shuffle across if you're on a mat and you don't have a lot of space. Go in the other direction. No benefit, just makes it a bit more interesting to change direction. You get a different view of your room. I've got a nice view of the radiator here. Turning back to face me. 3, 2, 1 and a tap. 1, 2, 3. Adding a little push with the arms. Or not, your choice. Well done. Remember, we're trying to get to the end of the 15-minute workout. This is aimed at people who are less fit or beginners. So, or maybe you're slightly overweight. Whatever reason you're here, I hope you're enjoying my workouts. Let's kick it across. Well done. This is helping your balance. So if you're really struggling with this, just take the toe on the floor instead. But those of you that can, take that little swing across the body. Keeping the shoulders nice and relaxed, keeping the knees slightly soft all the time. Go back to the march. 4, 3, 2 and a tap. Slowly turning, maybe moving to the back of your mat. Taking it forward. Right, let's take it to the mark, right, left. Try and keep those feet nice and light. And quite a fast beat, so those moves are going to be quite small, knees can stay quite low even. I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. Stay facing me, it's easier for you. 2 forward, 2 back, 2 forward, 2 back. So that can just be a very little step, or you can take it down and lift, take it down and lift. Going to change that slightly. We're going to take it wide at the front. So wide, wide, together, together. Again, that might just be a little bit wider. It might be really big. And add some arms. I think out, in works quite nicely. Or pump. Your body, your workout. You choose what feels right for you or leave the arms out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. We're going to change leg, tap, left, right. We're going to do that a little bit faster without the big pause in future. Left, right, back, wide, wide, together, together. Let's tap change. Right, left. Don't worry if you haven't got that, it really doesn't matter. 8 more. Well done. Tap change. So we tap, change leg. If you're on the opposite leg and you haven't managed to do the tap change, really not the end of the world, and tap change. Tap change. So we're going to do 4, 3, that's 2. Tap change, tap change. Tap change for 2s. 1, 2. Tap change. Let's go for singles. Tap change. So here, if you want to make it bigger, you can make it more to a horseshoe, twist it round. But don't worry, if that doesn't work for you, just keep it here. Your choice. If you just swing your arm out and just try and do the same movement but let your feet go with you, it'll become more of a horseshoe. Four, 3, last 2, well done. March it through. 3, 2, 1, toe tap. 3, 1, toe tap. So that can become a knee lift. You can add an arms. Pull down. That's your hardest version. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Easiest version. 1, 2, 3, toe tap. Gentle arms, shoulders relaxed. I'm going to go somewhere in the middle. I quite like to just swing my arms, pull them back up, feel that it working the back of the arm. So as you tap, pull the elbow back, feel the back of the arm working. A little bit of work for those bat wings. Not a lot of work for them, but every little bit helps. March. I'm just wiggling my hips side to side, lifting the heels up. So a little bit of a jogger's walk. I'm adding a little bit of twist. So watch your ankles here. If it's uncomfortable on your ankles, alter the movement, just lift the knees straight forward. Or if it's uncomfortable on your knees too, of course. Ready for side step. Now as you're doing your side steps, I want you to shuffle yourself slightly towards your left because we're going to go to doubles. Double. A fairly fast track, so you might need to make the steps a little bit smaller. I'm trying to take the whole width of my mat. I say length of my mat, but I've got quite a big square mat here. You just can't see half of it off the front of the camera. So those that can, we're going to take it to a grapevine. So step, cross behind, step together. If that doesn't work for you, stay with the ordinary double step. I'm going to turn in a moment and show you how that works. You step, cross behind, step, feet together. Step, cross behind, step, feet together. Step. If you'd rather do it half time, that's fine too, or stay with your double side steps. Let's, for those that want it, add some arms and a knee lift on the end. Really is up to you. If that doesn't feel right, just stay with where you were. And keep breathing. Are you ready? Hold it here. Knee lifts. I'm going to slightly out to the side. Work slightly different muscles. If that doesn't work for you, you can just keep it a little toe tap, opening out through the hip, turning out. Find this one quite intense. If you want to make it really harder, add arm movements, pulling down. I'm going to leave that out because for me, it's enough to concentrate lifting my leg off the ground. Well done. Let's take it down to the tap. Back to the jogger's walk, lifting the heels, maybe with a little bit of wiggle in the hips, just to give them a bit of a loosening after that intense knee lift work. double side step. Well done. You're doing great. So don't worry if you're struggling with some of the moves. As long as you don't feel uncomfortable, make up what feels right for you. It's your body, your workout. You've got to do what feels right for you. Make it bigger if you want, smaller if you want. So whatever's right for you is right for you. I'm not going to dictate what level you do it at. I just want you to do the best you can for yourself. Okay, next time we're going to pause at the end, tap out, side, 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 side. So I'm just touching the toe out to the side. Toes on the floor, although I suppose if you wanted to, you could lift it. Give yourself a bit more of a challenge. Keep moving throughout the gap. We're going to start to bring our heart rate down now. So just slowly lifting the heels, coming up onto the ball of the foot, nice and slow and controlled. Pulling the belly in. Really pushing the heel into the ground, lifting the other foot up. Well done. Let's take a swing across the body. So a little bit of balance here. If that doesn't work for you, touch your toe to the floor, well done. But if you can, do it on one leg. Keep the knees soft, let the shoulders relax, arms swing gently. Heels up, jogger's walk. Nice and slow though. Try and keep the hips as level as you can. We're not sticking the hips out to the side, we're keeping them level. Pulling in your belly, keep breathing. Have a quick look down at your feet. Are your feet directly under your hips, or have you taken them a bit wider? Are your feet turning out? Doing this move slowly, you're really going to feel it. Have a quick look at your knees. Are they coming straight forward, or are they coming across the body or sticking outward? Let's take that kick or tap across. Swing the arms however is comfortable for you. I find swinging them across the body like this really helps my balance. But if you'd rather keep them on your waist or let them just swing naturally, that's fine too. Back to those heel raises. Really massaging the feet into the mat. Very soft, slow, gentle bicep curl if you wish. Lifting, alternating heels. So it's alternating. Ready for that swing and balance or tap. Remember, we're cooling the body down now, but we want to keep moving, getting our heart rate back to normal if you need to. Tap. Well done. Let's finish with a stretch today. Usual stretch we do just to give our calves a little bit of a stretch. I'm going to start by just lifting up the heels and taking one heel back, bringing it in. Push that heel all the way into the mat, bring it in, and then I'm going to ask you to hold that right heel down into the mat. Watch they're both facing forward. If you find that you're wobbling a bit, take that front foot wider. And we're trying to keep the hips facing me at the front. I'm going to turn again sideways so you can see. So we don't want this sort of movement. I want the body facing the same way. Have a look at what's going on with your knee, knees above the ankle. Wherever that stretch is felt in the calf for you, or even whenever you feel the stretch in the calf. Well done. Sometimes I have trouble with my words. Okay, let's change sides. Let's just start by tapping back. Do the right leg the first time, Remember which leg you did. We want to stretch both, have evenness in both sides of the body. Watch you've got your balance. That nice straight line. You can't see anything when I do it that way. Try and relax your head down. Once you're in position, don't look at me. Look down or look forward, relax. Feel what's going on with your body. Are you feeling the stretch in the calf? If not, maybe adjust the foot, turn the heel out a little bit. Feel it where you feel you need it, but front knee above the ankle, between the ankle and the toe. Knee shouldn't be dropping in. That's what I mean by dropping in. It shouldn't be here, it should be straight forward. Have a look and see. Well done, shake out your legs. That's all for today. I'm so pleased you made it to the end of the workout. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.